Hey guys, this is Hokma Finance Canada. In this video, we are going to learn how to send money internationally with TD Canada Trust. We will also put a link in the description below. To start, open the website, then click on Login to EasyWeb Online Banking. Now, log in with your username or access card and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several options at the left side menu. Click on the option that says TD Global Transfers. Then, you will be redirected to another page where you can see an option for Get Started at the middle part of the screen. Click on Get Started. Before you proceed, a pop-up window will appear containing some of your information. If you wish to make some changes to your profile, click on Update your TD profile. But if none, just click on Continue. To complete your registration, you need to read the TD Terms of Use and Privacy Terms. After reading, click on the tick box beside Accept TD Terms of Use and Privacy Terms. If you wish to get a copy, click on Download a copy. Then click on Register. On this page, select the country you're living in. Next, enter the amount on the Amount field. Then select the currency. After that, click on the Get Estimates button. Now, select a transfer method. You could choose from Send to Account, Cash Pickup or Send to Card. Click on the Select button beside the option you wanted. Lastly, review your transfer details. So after reviewing and if everything looks good, click on Continue. That's how you send money internationally with TD Canada Trust. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day.